Your gas stove is slow, messy, and dangerous. This thing changes everything. Meet the Philips Viva HD492801, a 2100-watt induction cooktop that's built for Indian kitchens. Sleek black glass, touch controls, compact enough to fit anywhere. And it's about to become your new best friend in the kitchen. Here are the top 5 advantages. 1. Boils water in under 3 minutes. 2100 watt. 2. 6 Indian preset modes. Roti, curry, dosa, milk, fry, papad. Just tap and cook. Zero guesswork. 3. The surface doesn't burn you. Seriously, touch it while it's on. Safe for kids. Safe for everyone. 4. One wipe to clean. Flat glass. No burnt-on grease ever again. 5. Uses less electricity than gas wastes heat. Save money every single month. Faster than gas. Safer than gas. Cheaper to run than gas. And it looks incredible doing it. The Philips HD492801 is the upgrade your kitchen deserves. Want the best price on this cooktop? The link is in our description. Go grab it. Like this short, subscribe for more, and drop it in the comments if you're switching to induction.